Hi, my name is Gabby, and I am currently majoring in nursing at JJC. I graduated from Custer High School back in May, and this is my first year attending at JJC. When I graduate, my plan is to either go into pediatric oncology or aesthetic nursing. I currently work at Morris Hospital as a CNA on a med-surg/peds floor, where I'm learning the ins and outs of working in healthcare. Working at a hospital and going to school has definitely taught me how to have a balanced schedule. When I am not working or going to school, I enjoy shopping and spending all my money, spending time with family, friends, and my boyfriend, as well as working out. I will now show a bag that means a lot to me and kind of represents who I am as a person, and a few of my favorite things that are in my bag. So, this is my hospital bag. I use it for when I go to work. Every time I work, I bring my bag with me. So my hospital bag has all my essentials in it, so that I use for work. Either it's my blood pressure cuff, a pencil case that has pens, pencils, highlighters. I also have a clipboard in here that I use for report sheets, so I can stay organized with those. And occasionally I'll put my stethoscope in here if I don't bring it home from work. Or if I do bring it home from work. This bag allows me to stay very organized and make sure all my stuff's in place. So when I'm at work, I don't have to go looking around for everything. It's all in here. So the first item that I will be showing you in my bag is my hospital badge. This badge allows me to get into work, so I just scan in, and it also allows me to clock in and out from work. So I'll show you a little bit about my badge and explain what each thing is. So obviously on the front, I have a picture of me, the floor I work on, the position, and my name. And then the second thing is a list of extension numbers that we have at the hospital. So if you need to get a hold of someone and you can't remember their number, they're on here. There's none on the back. The next thing is a list of weight conversions. So like I said before, we have pediatrics occasionally on the floor. So when we weigh them, we have to convert their weight. This is a duress button. And so if we go into a room and we find a patient unresponsive, we hit this green button and an alarm will go off and it tells everyone to go in there, and basically everyone knows what to do then. Or we can cancel call lights. If we don't want to go all the way into the room, we can just stand out in the doorway and press this button and the call light will stop. This just shows that I'm a CNA. And then this is AIDIT, so it stands for Acknowledge, Introduce, Duration, Explanation, and Thank You. So kind of some rules to follow when we're communicating with patients, family, as well as other staff. So this badge is very important to me because I started working at the hospital when I was 17, so it kind of makes me feel proud of myself that I was able to get a job in a hospital at 17. The next item I will show you from my bag is my Orange Theory workout band. I started Orange Theory about 3 weeks ago. It's an hour-long workout class with an instructor, and it's split up into two groups you go into, so you do 30 minutes cardio and 30 minutes strength training. And I go around 2 times a week, which overall is 8 times a month. When I'm not at Orange Theory, I'm at the gym. So the gym kind of gives me my own little time because I don't have to follow an instructor and follow what they do. And I can kind of do my own thing and weight lift, stuff like that. I feel Orange Theory is more of losing weight while the gym is gaining muscle. So, for me at least. I've started to take my fitness journey a lot more serious the last couple of weeks, and when I started doing that, I started to see a lot more progress, and it absolutely makes me proud of myself, and I feel really happy when I see progress. So I'm excited to continue my fitness journey and see what other results I can have from it. My last item in my bag is a picture of me and my boyfriend, Will. We just celebrated our 2 years together back in July, and this photo means a lot to me because it was the first couple of photos that we have taken, I guess you could say. We went to Target and we got a whole bunch of fall stuff for us to do, like baking, like ingredients and blankets and candles, all that. We also got Starbucks that day too. But me and Will, we love to go out to eat. We love to go to Target. We just love being around each other overall. We just make each other very happy, and I feel like I've just been a better person ever since being with Will. So he supported me through everything. So all the items that I have showed you mean a lot to me because it explains who I am as a person, and these items are very important to me, and I've worked very hard for some of these items, so I am very proud to have them and very grateful to have my items that were in this bag. So